Welcome to my BeneCane product review. The 4-prong tip gives extra support. It also provides excellent stability and protection against falls. Best of all, it pivots. It provides extra traction by pivoting to move naturally with your body. The cane's height can be adjusted from 31.5 inches to 37.5 inches through the middle button, which is perfect for seniors or people with arthritis or injuries whose height is within 4 feet 9 inches or 6 foot 1. It also means that you don't have to worry about buying an entirely new cane if your height changes over time. Heck, my height changes on a daily basis depending on the footwear that I choose to wear. Another fun feature of this cane is that it folds, which is perfect whether you're traveling or if you just need to store it. It also comes with its very own handy carrying bag. BeneCane Pros. The BeneCane is supportive, sturdy, attractive, and affordable. BeneCane Cons. As far as I'm concerned, there are 0 cons. All in all, the BeneCane, which is available in 7 colors, is an excellent choice for anybody who's looking for a convenient and affordable walking aid. Its stylish yet practical design makes it suitable for any situation, indoors or outdoors. And with a 1-year warranty included, there's no risk involved in trying it out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're at it, be sure to visit my blog, thedisableddivablog.com, and follow me on Instagram at _disabled_diva, and Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter at The Disabled Diva. Have a great day.